As you know, consumer spending accounts for nearly 70% of U.S. economic activity, and nowhere do more Americans spend more money shopping than at Walmart. As we continue our series Earnings Spotlight, Courtney Reagan tells us how important Walmart's results are to investors and what they might reveal about consumers and other big retailers.
While the bulk of retailers report earnings towards the end of the season, the results are closely monitored by investors trying to take the pulse of the consumer amid continued uncertainty. And for decades running, it's the earnings release from the world's largest retailer that is perhaps the most anticipated.
Walmart is the bellwether. And other than the time period where Walmart was doing Project Impact a few years ago, it has always been the bellwether.
A bellwether for good reason. Every week, more than 200 million consumers shop in the nearly 10,800 Walmart retail locations around the world. For the first quarter, Walmart is expected to report revenue of more than $116 billion, with earnings of $1.15 per share. Walmart's U.S. same-store sales is a key metric investors watch. It measures the amount sales increased or decreased for stores open at least a year. While the retailer has posted a gain in each of the last 5 quarters, the growth rate shows a downward trend. Walmart competitor Target is warning investors that its earnings will miss expectations, saying the lingering cold weather in much of the country has hurt sales of seasonal and weather-sensitive items. Investors are now wondering if Walmart's sales have been equally impacted. But beyond the financials, investors glean insights from Walmart's consumer research. Every quarter, the company surveys its shoppers to take the pulse of what's concerning them most. Last quarter, Walmart U.S. CEO Bill Simon says his consumers were most worried about jobs, followed by inflation, taxes, and gas prices. Consumers may have concerns, but a number of analysts aren't worried.
I think Walmart right now is running as well as Walmart has ever run since I started watching them in 1968. They are doing a fabulous job of bringing product at the price to the customer.
And the stockholders are reaping the benefits. Walmart shares have gained 27% over the past year, better than both the S&P Retail Index and the broader S&P 500 over the same time period. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.